Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a full-width video section with text overlay in Elementor. This is a fantastic way to make your website look modern and engaging with stunning video backgrounds and bold text that captures your visitors' attention right away. First, you'll want to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. This creates a fresh new page for your design. After the page is created, you'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Click that to launch the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Once Elementor loads, you'll be working on a blank canvas. Look for the plus icon to add a new section. Click it, and a pop-up will appear showing different section structures. For this tutorial, select the single column structure, which gives you one column to work with. This is perfect for full-width designs where you want everything centered and bold. Now click on the section handle. This is the 6-dotted icon that appears when you hover over the section. Clicking it will open the section settings panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll control how your section behaves and looks. Head over to the Layout tab within the section settings. Here you'll find an option called Content Width. Click on that and select Full Width. This ensures your section stretches across the entire screen, creating that immersive edge-to-edge effect that looks so professional. While you're still in the Layout tab, scroll down to the Height settings, set height to min height, and then enter either 100 VH or 600 px, depending on how tall you want your section to be. Using 100 VH makes it take up the full height of the viewport, which is great for hero sections, while 600 px gives you a fixed size. Next, switch over to the Style tab. Under Background Type, select Video. This is where you'll add your video background. Simply paste a YouTube or Vimeo URL into the field that appears. Elementor will automatically embed the video as your background. Give it a moment to load and preview. Now it's time to add the text overlay. Click the plus button at the upper left of the page, which opens the widget panel. From there, either click or drag the heading widget into the column you just created. This adds a text element on top of your video background. With the heading widget selected, go to the Style tab to customize your text. Click on Typography to reveal font options. In the Family submenu, you can select a font that matches your brand or style, then adjust the font size to make sure your text stands out clearly against the video. Finally, you can adjust the font color by clicking Text Color. This opens a color picker where you can choose any color you like. If your video is dark, go with a light color and vice versa to ensure readability. And that's it. You've successfully created a full-width video section with text overlay in Elementor. Your page now has a dynamic, professional look that will grab attention instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.